How to convert an M4A file into an MP3 file. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you the easiest method of converting any M4A file to an MP3 file. So what we'll be utilizing is an online tool which I'll be showing you. So in order to do this, simply open any web browser or your Google search engine and type in M4A to MP3 converter and hit the search button. Now there are a lot of websites that you can take, but I personally prefer Convertio. It is a very simple and free tool to do these things. Now from here, make sure before choosing a file that it is selected from M4A to MP3, and then from here you can choose the file. So click onto this choose files button and from here choose your M4A file. So I have just recently downloaded an M4 file, so I'm gonna choose this file. So this is an M4A file, as you can see the name, and then click onto this select button. Now my sample 3.m4a has been successfully loaded and it will get converted to MP3. Then once you are done with this, click onto this convert button and wait for the conversion process to start. And once the conversion process will start, it will upload the sample file first and then it will run the algorithms in order to convert the M4A file to an MP3 file, which you can later download once the conversion is successfully done. So let us wait for the uploading and conversion process. So after a few seconds you can see this message that says conversion completed, download your converted file. So from here click onto this download button and just wait for the file to get downloaded, and now you can see that my M4A file has been successfully converted to an MP3 file. So that's how easily you can convert an M4A file into an MP3 file. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.